Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP, USD, British Pound, US Dollar for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is a 4-hour chart of DXY US dollar currency index, and after the NFP we saw some crazy move, price rejection from above on the chart of DXY and ultimately closed at 112.74. This is the last traded price of DXY, and few days ago we saw some massive correction on the chart of DXY. But as I have been telling for the last couple of weeks, that my dear friends, we should not forget the fact that overall DXY or US dollar is an uptrend, massive uptrend. And if we see any series of red candles, then that is just a correction, because for any trend reversal we need a big news, big fundamental factor that will bring a complete trend reversal. And right now we do not have any fundamental factor that will completely change the direction of DXY. So DXY is still in uptrend, and until and unless we get any proper news or fundamental factor, DXY will be in uptrend. Especially positional traders, swing traders, if you are looking for any position right now, then you should simply follow the trend. Whenever the market will be at proper support, okay, whenever GBP USD or Euro USD will be at resistance and DXY will be at support, you should be looking for positions. Okay, and so let's get started. Already I have talked enough. GBP USD, yes, here is our chart of GBP USD, and as we all know, okay, GBP USD is in massive downtrend. Okay, and when we had this recovery, many were thinking that a trend reversal has come, but this series of red candle has again stated that, my dear friends, that we still do not have any trend reversal yet. If we look at the Forex sentiment meter, we can see that 40% retail traders are on the short side. It means that they have taken sell position, and 59% are on the long side. It means they have taken buy position. And you can see the 59% have taken buy position at 1.1878, around this level they have taken buy position, and right now market is standing here. So my dear friends, if you are holding your buy position right now, please protect your hard-earned money. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. If you see market going down again, please come out of your buy positions. Okay, so again I'm saying, if you're a swing trader or positional trader, please try to follow the trend. Try to take a position whenever DXY will be at support and Euro USD or GBP USD will be at resistance. So whatever we are going to discuss right now, these are for day traders only, because in this market, okay, when market has already witnessed heavy selling, okay, and right now market is trying to recover also, I think being a retail trader, it's better to trade from level to level. Okay, trade from level to level, because we must not forget that being a retail trader, our capital is limited. Okay, the capital is limited, so as a result it's our responsibility to protect our capital as well. So as a result we should be very careful. Okay, so first of all I would like to mention that DXY closed at resistance. You can see that this is a minor resistance for the market, and DXY just closed at the resistance here. So the market opening on Monday will be extremely important, because after the market opening we will get a clear picture, okay, in which direction the market will move next. Because if DXY reverses from the resistance, then we must not forget that GBP USD is also standing at a support here. Not only we have minor support around 1.1059 level, this is also the Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level. So just try to understand the scene here. DXY is standing at resistance, GBP USD is standing at support. almost a similar picture to Euro USD. That's why the market opening will be very, very important. So if DXY, okay, if DXY reverses from the resistance, then obviously we will see GBPUSD going up from the support. But the main problem here is that usually on Monday mornings during the Asian session and European session, we do not see much volatility in the market because the market participation is less, liquidity is less. It means number of traders, the number of traders are very less. Majority of the traders are sleeping. Okay. So in this scenario, you must be careful. If you see that DXY is reversing from the resistance, GBPUSD is bouncing from the support, you can take a buy position, but if possible, try to take a very small buy position, because usually it's better not to trade during the first half of Monday and the second half of or during the evening of Friday because of liquidity issues. So as a result, if possible, try to avoid. But if you're very eager to trade, then with proper risk management, you should take a position, very small lot size. Do not take much risk because though the market is open from Monday to Friday, okay, listen to me, though the market is open from Monday to Friday, but the actual market starts, okay, from Monday US session, okay, Monday US session to the Friday US session only, or especially the first half of Friday US session. Okay, after that you should avoid trading because of liquidity issues, because when there is not much liquidity in the market, not much participation in the market, unprecedented moves, unexpected spikes may come. Okay, in this case also you must be careful. If you see the scenario, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बोल गया already. So if market reverses from DXY reverses from resistance, if you see GBPUSD going bouncing, take a small buy position. But in case you see DXY breaking the resistance and GBPUSD breaking the support, do not take a sell position immediately. Try to observe the market first. As I just said, volume is less. Okay, volume is less. It means that for a proper breakout, okay, listen to me carefully, for a proper breakout we need volume. If there is not much volume in a proper breakout, it can lead to a false breakout also. It can lead to a false breakout, which is very, very dangerous. If you have been trading for last couple of months, okay, then you know it very well that false breakout is a bitter reality of the market. Okay, so if you are looking for any proper breakout, then you must be careful. So in case you see market forming green candles, if you see market forming green candles on Monday here, then, and if you see that the size of the candle is not good enough, then please avoid the market. I'll be coming on Monday also. I'll tell you what you should be doing next. You should avoid. And in this scenario, whenever there is not much volume in the market, but still there is a breakout at a particular point of time, you should just wait for the market to retrace. Okay, because retracement is a safer strategy. Okay, retracement is a safer strategy whenever you see a breakout but there is not much volume. Try to get my point. If you're unable to understand here, okay, just understand the point that whenever there is not much volume in a breakout, okay, you should wait for retracement. That's it. So at the retracement, you get the proper confirmation. So on the chart of GBPUSD, if you see on Monday market going down, but if you see the size of the candle is not good enough, there is not much volume, then just avoid. Wait for the market to come up a little. Whenever the market is coming up a little and going down again like this, you can take a sell position here. Okay, if there is not much volume. I can understand the video can be a little bit confusing. If it sounds confusing or sounded confusing, then please watch the video. I'm extremely sorry. You can ask me in the comment section, and if I have missed any point, then please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. And my dear friend, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. Okay, so it's your hard-earned money. So please calculate the position according to your capital. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Okay, please use proper risk management. Bye bye. This is just my analysis.